If you live in Nigeria and are looking to order web hosting, this video is going to guide you through the whole process. Before we start, if you're new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, because on this channel I show you how to build websites. Let's get the tutorial started because I don't like wasting time. This is the hosting provider we're going to be using in this video to order web hosting. And I've also contacted this hosting provider to give you the best deal ever, which is 50% off of their hosting plans. So regardless the hosting package you select, you'll be able to apply this coupon code and get 50% off on their hosting plans. Alright, that's cool. So you type makihost.com in your search, your browser, hit enter, you'll land on makihost.com. Just a reminder, my business website and my client's website are also hosted on this same platform, so you have nothing to worry about. Okay, so go ahead and read more about this hosting company and click on order hosting. It will take you to their pricing or their packages. Makihost has 3 packages. That's Go Basic, Standard, and the Go Unlimited. Because we are starting, I will recommend you to stick with the Go Basic, because you have the chance to host one website and also get 5 GB SSD storage, which is good because you are a beginner. As a beginner, you don't need that huge space. Okay, so we are choosing this package. Click on register, and then we enter our domain name here. But before that, because you're from Nigeria, select your currency, and that's Nigerian Naira, as it will help us at the ending part of the tutorial to be able to pay with our local banks. Okay, and that's cool. So you enter your domain name here, that's okay, and this for testing purposes, demo purposes. I'm only using this to make tutorial video. Be creative and come out with your own domain name. If you don't want .com but you want something like .net, you can also select that here. Okay, so check its availability, and congrats, our domain name is still available. Click on continue, and this is a preview of our package. You can scroll down, and here are additional add-ons. Okay, if you see that it's interesting, you can select that. Alright, if you also want them to protect your website all day round, you can select this, but it's going to add additional cost. Alright, so continue. On this page, you're going to configure your domain name, and that is DNS, IP protection, and email forwarding. If you have the money, you can choose this because it's going to protect our identity on the internet. When you register a new name, your details are always stored on the internet, and spammers can sell you stuffs. So if you don't want spams in your inbox, you want to have free mind, you live a life of no worries, you can choose ID protection and then click on continue. Okay, so this is where I'm going to show you the code you'll be using to get 50% off. I just contacted them to get this deal to make my tutorials. From today going on, I'll be using that coupon code, that special code, to give to my viewers, guys like you. So just beneath my video, you can see get 50% off hosting. You can click on this link to to go to my keyword host, and that's my affiliate link as well. So this is the code we'll be using, 250. You copy that, enter that code here, and then validate the code. Okay, so this 50% of hosting. That coupon code only applies to the hosting, not domain name. Okay, so your hosting, you are not paying half of the price. Check out. You fill out your details, enter your password. Okay, so let me fill out my details and get back to you. Okay, I guess fill out my details. That's my name, email, my phone number, my billing address, my country, and the rest. Here I enter my password. So go ahead and also enter your secured password, and you can generate password here with the password generator. Okay, you can do that as well. Now I want you to choose Flutterwave, because Flutterwave is the payment method we're going to use to make the payment, and this will also help us pay with our local bank accounts. If you also have Bitcoin, you can choose this. All right, so okay, accept their terms of service and then click on complete order. All right, complete order. Here we are. It's taking us to the payment method, so we'll make the payment, and after that our web hosting will be set up. If you have a credit card, you enter your credit card details here. You can pay with this. All right, you can also pay with a bank, so you choose your bank and make payment with. You can pay with bank transfer. There are several options you can go with. Okay, okay, so after you enter maybe your credit card details and click on this orange button, your account will be set up upon payment, and that is it. You have your account set up. If you also have Bitcoin, you can go ahead and use your Bitcoin to make the payment. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you think this video helped you, as always, I'm always on this channel showing you how to build different websites, ranging from e-commerce website to freelancing websites and the rest. Consider subscribing.